Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to yet another video. Today I'm reacting to Macky 2 DS Slap D, that's the name of the song. So, okay, I'm doing something a little bit different today. There's a lot going on where I always record, and I just decided to take refuge right here. uh Dzina langa ndi TT ndimakhala kuno ku USA koma ndimachokera ku Botswana. If you're here for the first time, smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads of this channel. Okay, let's get to the song. By the way, for those of you who don't understand what is going on and maybe this is the first time checking this out, just know that Slap D is a legend. Macky 2 is also a legend. So I'm curious to know what this song is really about. I feel like I should connect my microphone. Hold on. Okay. I'm gonna connect. Deal. All right. I hope this works. Let's get to the song. Legend to legend.
Yeah. Sembeyisebenza njenjimboni namvela pafesti sininganame matu na mutima veze blessed nati nichindani chichechi mveka fureshi swagi voko voze cheki. I remember putting that CD on replay, singing along, thinking that's something I would say. Ndawapajanishi nipanga koma samu naine, pray music in it just komu mashamu naine. I saw you on TV way before I got on. I seen you make it, made me feel like
back in the day, cassette days. Oof.
Maybe I should hold on. I'm not afraid to say it. I'm out of while. Soldiers of the same struggle. Ni one mile. They say they only love you ngawala la kumanda. And if I've never said it, boy, ilelo na landa. Uri chikari, akali jota body. Elo tapakataleva, promise to keep it zaddy. Wadi film your body, nobody mweba shinandi.
Man, his flow is still flawless.
It's funny how we used to dream the life that we live. For she's that we really made the ghetto to believe. Boy, thank you. Boy, thank you. Yeah. One more time. Just let it breathe. Matter of fact, let me get it one more time. Listen. Yeah. XYZ, that shit was really fire. Crew full of superstars, mwenzeni pe wire. Took the game higher, devil is a liar. So lega nikambeko chena sorry kurimaya. Iron sharp as iron, wasn't personal, just rapping. You versus me, all the shows we was packing. Maavutina banga while dividing the quantity. Rapping like the rent is due, mumala angiri. Then realizing it's bigger than us. Looked at the kids watching, copying everything we touch. Inspired just a generation. Shifted the culture, built real legacy. Yours the face structure. Bandu tina banga, foundation tina manga. Too good to be true, that's why watila manga. I seen you break down when we lost PJ and Dave. Fighting back tears, typical trying to be brave. It's okay, ndiwe muntu chabi. Nobody, it's okay, olo chiwawabi. We might never get credit for the shit that we did. I want to wala lava, but bro, we sowed the seed, money wala. My flower na ya balula.
Yo, there's a lot of things he's saying out here that, you know, a lot of artists should be saying to one another, and also just people in general should be able to say to one another, like all the things that they have done for the music industry of Zambia. I'm here, somebody from Botswana, watching Macky 2, having been listening to his songs from like as early as like 09, and maybe that's not even when they started, you know, but I'm just saying this to point out to you guys that music or what they have done has actually made an impact. At least take it from me. So this song kind of emotional though.
And this song here is just to say thank you.
Usually people wait for a person to die to say all the good things, you know?
Look.
The thing about time is eventually everyone loses the hunger. The fire begins to burn differently. Priorities shift and the industry changes. Sometimes it feels like these kids don't see the shoulders they stand on. The heavy crown is the real thing, my brother. The truth is the game still needs you. Long live the king. Long live the king.
Yo, that's beautiful. The thing is that, yeah, hey.
I don't tell him. Story time on how I dumped the body.
Okay, that's a new song. Anyway, I was just about to say, yeah, people wait like for someone to die to say all these things, man. I feel like we should just, you know, do these things while the person can still hear us and appreciate them and say thank you for seeing that. You know, there's so many other people that have done good. I think we always look at politicians, but we don't look at the entertainment. You don't remember the days you relied on a song to like move on from what you were feeling at the moment. So yeah, big up to Macky too. Big up to Slap D. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are here for the first time, like I said earlier, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. See you guys on the other side. Bye.